Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this quick video, I will just show you and explain you how to open Etsy shop without verification in 2023. So as you know, Etsy has been cracking down on verification, and a lot of people, actually everyone that wants to open an Etsy shop, will need some kind of verification when it comes to opening their Etsy shop, right? Now, what can you do to actually kind of bypass verification and get to the Etsy without actually having to verify it, right? So what I did is I used my friend's credit card. I used my friend's passport, and I basically applied to Etsy with the help of my friend, right? Now you can do this with friends, you can do this with your parents, whatever you want to do, right? What you will have to do is you will have to use someone else to go and open your Etsy shop for you, right? Under their name, and then you will be able to basically open an Etsy shop without having to verify it on your own, right? So this is the only way you can really open up an Etsy shop without verification. Don't believe anyone else on the internet, because this is possibly the best way to open up an Etsy shop without verification. So yeah, that's basically it. It's really simple, right? You use someone else's ID, preferably your friend's ID, and preferably your parents' ID, or your family or relatives' ID, and open up your shop that way. It's much better, it's much suitable as well, and yeah, it will work the best. As you can see, I opened my store right here as well, in my parents' name, and here I have all the the shop is here, it's still running, right, and everything is great. So yeah, that's basically how to open Etsy shop without verification. It's really the most simplest answer, right? And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.